Alright guys, welcome back. So the video that you just watched is my summer bag. So what that means is that's what will stay in the car wherever I'm at and everything else. So let me turn it around, hold on. Basically everything here, let me zoom out. Everything here was in this small little bag. So it's not very big at all. Let me move that waterproofing. So it's not that big at all, but literally everything here is what I keep in that for, except for the Sharpie. Don't mind that Sharpie. Is what I keep in there basically for the end of spring, the beginning of summer. I have two different bags. Of course, you guys have seen my fall/winter bag, and I'm gonna have to go through that again. But basically what I'm doing here is just showing you guys, hey, I have two different bags for the seasons. Of course, the fall/winter bag is going to have more in it. It's going to have more cold weather type things in it. With this here, this is just to get around, get out in case something does happen. You'd be able to do what you need to do, especially with the handsaw. You can make that a snare. You can catch what you need to with that. And what I was surprised with, now I did add a couple things into this little pack. It didn't come with like the striker, but it did come with the little bit of fishing gear here, which that's pretty neat. I added a knife to it. Like I said, I added this in there. Decent striker. But like I said, it is what it is. Make it your own. I made this my own. Added, took away. Added, took away. So, like I said, this one stays in the car for summer. Actually, it stays in the car all the time. It'll stay on the Ford, not the GMC. But yeah, that's all I want to do with this video is come out and tell you guys about the two different packs. One's a lot lighter than the fall pack. If anybody knows me, I always have at least a couple things of food in the car just in case. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. I'm probably going to come out with a video with the fall pack. I got it weatherproofing right now. What I'm weatherproofing with is the Scotch Guard outdoor weather. So I'm putting that. I got 4 cans of it. The other one's out in the garage still. Look at this. Look at this fatty. No. But yeah, I'm going to get that going. We're not done. It's still a process. It is raining here for 3 straight days. And it's supposed to be today heavy thunderstorms and rain. And it's 55 degrees right now. But I did weatherproof that a little bit around the seams. What sucked is it was really dry last night because it stopped raining around noon, and then as soon as I started weatherproofing it, it started raining. So what's the odds of that? Man, it is chilly. Jeez, Pete's. I don't know if you can see you can see your own breath out here right now. But anyway, my kind of weather right now. I absolutely love fall. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do another video probably here in a few minutes. I'm going to let that pack dry a little bit more before I grab that. It's going to be the same type of video. I'm just going to explain what I have in it. This one's pretty self-explanatory. You can watch it and see. There's really not much to my end of spring, beginning of summer pack. So, hope you guys liked it. See you on the next one. Stay at the ready.